Bam, we're live. There it is. There's a notification. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the Trap Blazer here behind me. There's the Equinox. I drove that for the first time today actually. I don't know. It's alright. It's different. But I haven't driven it yet. Today was the first time I drove that thing. It's different. It's a little different. We'll have some projects coming up for that. The Blazer, check this out guys. Them wheels, them sixes, they're gone. Boy, this thing looks a lot different without them on there. I need to get me a set of like winter wheels for this thing for real. But we got another project coming up for this in the spring. Big project. That's all I'm saying guys. I'm gonna leave it at that. But that's coming up. Stay tuned for that. But what I really want to show you guys is bow. Check it out right here behind me. Here's the Jag. We got it all straightened out, opened up. You can see the hood, the leaper up there, from the very top up there. You see, it's leaping up. It's opened up. We cleaned up. We're gonna give it a go around. I got a guy coming here like at 5 o'clock from Elkhart. He's supposed to be looking at this car. He wants to check it out. I don't know if he'll buy it or not, guys, but I'm gonna cut him a deal if he wants it. I think I charge him $5 grand. Anyway, but let's check this out, guys. Let's go around it one last time. Man, there's another guy I know who wants this, and if the guy tonight doesn't buy it and he gets it, guys, it'll still be around, still be on the channel, so that'd be cool. Check this out. Here's the back seat, guys. Man, this thing is nice inside, man, and out for real. I love the interior in here, guys. It's clean. Got it all opened up, cleaned up. Got the camera on. Got the trees in here. I don't have the top open. I don't want stuff to blow in. But this is cleaned up, guys. Back up here. Check it out. Look up underneath the hood. It's running. Oh, you can hear it now. But it's clean, folks. It's got all this stuff where it's been sitting. It does need a bearing in the back, I'm telling you. When I drove it back from Warsaw to pick up my kids that Sunday, I'm telling you, it's loud. It don't need to be driven. Like, take it home and fix it, whoever buys it, for real. Wood grain everywhere, man. And it's got the color change lights, the RGB, the double dins in here, all these door speakers, everything's been changed. It's tinted up. Man, this thing runs good for real. Listen, there's the camera. You hear? Trunk's clean. Everything's clean, man, inside and out. I'm telling you, if this guy takes it home with him tonight, he'd be real happy with this car. Anybody buys this thing, man, is gonna be real happy with it. Real happy, I'm telling you. But that's it, guys. Let's look at the Blazer again. Look at that. Man, it just don't look right, does it? Don't even look the same, man. Damn. That's it, man. Look, it's clean, guys. Clean. This is a nice car. Got a new engine, new transmission. Engine had 21,000 when it went in. It's probably got 25 on it now. Transmission is new. It had like 11 when it went in, so it's probably got like 15, 16 on it now. New tires. Look at the tires, guys. I don't know if you see them. I should cut that wheel. Let's do that. Here we go. There we go. Now we can see. Look, them tires is good, man. Got nice tires on it. Then just went on there this summer. Them new, all 4 of them, new tires. The ones that was on here I didn't like. So we got new rubbers laid up on that all the way around. Not just the fronts, the backs too. Backs the same way. We can't get it tilted out, but you can see, man, it's got good tires all the way around it. We redid the brakes. Everything's been done. So it's nice, guys. It's nice. Hell, I got the factory stereo in here. I should put that in the trunk for him. Get this flipped around. Alright, guys, but that's what it is. I'm gonna send him a message to see if he's still on his way. Everything's good, but I'm gonna take care of this. Hopefully he's on his way, guys. Hopefully he comes and gets it, and it's bye-bye tonight. We can get on with things, and you know, keep on trapping. But that's what it is, guys. This thing hopefully will be out of here. It's the Equinox, man. Look at this. I got to show you the first project I got for this. I want to do that this winter still. Look at this. Door handle broke, man. Damn, you know what that's like to have your driver's side door handle busted? Man, that is shitty. Yeah, that sucks, man. So I gotta fix that for real. But we'll do a walk around this Blazer. Check this out, guys. Man, if it changed. There we go. There it is, guys. It don't even look like the same truck. Look, it looks little, man. Like it sits low. Looks narrow and little. That's how it'd be all winter, man. We got the Chevys on it. Everything else is on here, guys. I didn't do nothing except pull them wheels off. The spacers are in there. I'm gonna give a video on them spacers. We're gonna check them out. But we're gonna do a video on them so everybody can see. Everybody says, oh man, that stuff's so bad, so hard. So we're gonna inspect and see. Charlie Farmer says someone's going to get a nice ride. He said, I had that happen a few times. Well, you end up getting a nice ride? That's a good deal. I did, man. I drove this thing all summer. It gave me fits in the beginning, but we got it all sorted out. That's a nice car, for real, for real. Somebody's gonna be happy, especially getting it that cheap, man. But that's the Equinox. Look, this thing, it about burned me to death today, man. Look, there ain't no tint on this at all. Look, nowhere. This ain't got a drop of tint. Nowhere. We got to get out and see Amos out of blackout tinting. That's on the real, for real. And it needs some shoes. It's sitting on factories. Look at that. We got to fill them wheel wells up, guys. That's what I'm thinking. But man, this car is nice. Hopefully he cuts out of here today and he's got himself a nice ride. Turn your headlights on, get the tail lights on. Here we go. I do like this car, guys. I'm telling you, if I ever make it, I'm gonna get a real nice Jag, just like this, man. The STR with the 4.2 supercharged, the whole 9, and we're gonna do it up nice, and keep it. But for right now, we're gonna do something a little different on the channel in the spring. This was good. We got lots of footage of this, guys. Lots of footage of this still to come. Don't think because we're selling it and it's out of here, you ain't gonna see it again. You're gonna see this thing all winter long on Trap My Ride. Cause I got hella videos of this car, man. But anyway, guys, that's what I'm out here doing today. That's what we're working on. We're getting the Jag up out of here. Poor Blazer, man. I was looking at wheels for it today, man, for real. I don't know. Big plans, guys, big plans. But anyway, if this don't sell, it'll be around for a minute. And if it don't sell all winter, whatever, I'll fix it in the spring and we'll just keep on trapping with it. We'll just keep it around. But I think somebody will come and get this car for what I have it priced for. And as nice as it is, it does have the flaw, guys. It does need the bearing. I don't want to drive it and I don't want to let it sit either. That's why it's for sale. Somebody's gonna get a nice ride and we're just gonna keep on trapping and doing other stuff. But that's what it is, guys. Until next time, the next video, we'll see you. Make sure to hit that like button, follow, notifications, all that good stuff. Get in the comments, let me know what you think. Let me know what you would like to see next on the channel, like in the spring, as far as, you know, what else, different car. What are you guys thinking? I got a few ideas, but I want to see what everybody else is thinking. But this is the Jag, this is the S-Type. Hopefully it's gone today. We wave goodbye to the cat, black cat, named Lucky. I don't know. We'll see how it ends up, guys. Till next time, keep on trapping.